Good afternoon, everybody. It is Halloween in 2024. I'm Sean Carlson of Blackjack 98 Enterprises. What I wanted to do is I just wanted to start this up and display to everybody the sound and the sight of this thing working. I just wanted to showcase how quiet it sounds and how clean the engine is burning with the exhaust. This here is a pail of CLR and fresh water out of the bathtub, just so it can circulate through the shaft into the engine cooling and decontaminate anything that it is in there. So let me start it for you.